Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Catherine Vargas and today we're going to be doing a recreation of my most viral YouTube video. I'm going to go ahead and put the thumbnail like right here, but so excited because it's been a couple of years and I just wanted to show you guys all the new steps that I take now. So it's more like an updated version of like what I would do now if I was to like recreate it, I guess, or do a look like that, I guess. So hopefully you guys love it. Before I jump in, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down below what kind of videos you guys want to see. And without further ado, let's just jump right in. So I'm starting off by taking blank canvas and I'm going to use that to prime my eyes. This is something new that I do because how thick this concealer is. It really helps prime the eyes and make the eyeshadow vibrant. I'm taking the shade Love That and I'm going to build this up on my crease. Then I'm going to go ahead and flick it out to create that kind of cut crease effect. Next shade I'm taking is Spooky. It is the black shade and I'm putting this below the Love That shade to go ahead and I want to create some dimension to this look. So that's going to help create that dimension. Then the next shade I'm taking is Skip and I'm going to use that to help blend out the Love That shade. Taking a very big fluffy brush, I'm taking Pinkity Drinkity to help blend this look even more. Then going back into each one of those shades to re-intensify this look. Now I'm taking some micellar water and I'm just going to basically create the full cut crease using the micellar water. You're going to see here how easy it is. Then going back in with blank canvas and I'm basically just filling in the gap. You're going to see that then I took the full cut crease very into my inner corner. This time I want to leave a gap between my inner corner just because I really like the way that looks. Then I went in with Pinkity Drinkity and I went in with Flashback on the inner corner to really whiten up that inner corner. And I feel like it just makes my eyes look bigger. Now I'm taking Spooky, Love That, and Skip to create a nice liner. I'm using tape here just to make that line super duper sharp. Now we're moving on to face. I'm taking the Professional Primer to go ahead and prime my face. Then I'm taking the Rare Beauty Foundation in 240W. This is my go-to foundation at the moment. It's really good and I'm using like a beauty blender here to blend that out. For cream bronzer, I'm using the LYS No Limit Bronzer in Harmony. I really love this bronzer. It blends out so easily. You're going to see right here. This is in real time how easy that blends out. And I just love the color. Like I feel like it just goes really good with my skin tone. Then I'm using a beauty blender to go ahead and just further blend that. For blush, I'm taking the Rare Beauty in Believe. Look how beautiful this blush is. I feel like it was very perfect for this eye look. It's a beautiful mauve blush. Then for concealer, I'm taking the LYS Beauty Triple Fix Brightening in MN3. You're going to see the placements of where I like putting my concealer now. And I feel like this just really snatches up my face. It gives me a more like lifted eye look. And I love putting it under my contour to really snatch it. I'm taking some collab powder here to set my under eyes and basically everywhere that I set that concealer. And then I'm going in with a Sephora little palette right here to bronze up the skin even more. It's like a micro baked kind of bronzer, so I feel like it just looks beautiful. Then I'm taking the Benefit blush in Moon. I went ahead and added some pink to my waterline to really help this look come together. Then I'm taking those shades again to go ahead and just run them on my bottom lash line. I went ahead and added more white into the like inner corner of my eye to, like I said, I really like that brightening eye like look effect. So I went ahead here with some white.
Then I'm going back in with the black right here to intensify that bottom lash line. Then I added some professional spray, adding some mascara, and then we are going to work on lips. I'm using the Makeup Forever lip liner. I believe this one's in 606. Then I'm using the K Skin lip gloss, one of my favorite lip gloss at the moment. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.